Jai Shri Ram, Jai Bageshwar Dham. Today we'll talk about the sacred sentinel secrets of the Dhwaja Stambha. As we enter the grand temple, the air thick with devotion and the scent of incense, our eyes are immediately drawn not to the sanctum just yet, but to a towering, resplendent pillar standing guard before the deity's abode. This is the Dhwaja Stambha, the silent sentinel of the temple spirit. Have you ever wondered about that tall post-like structure standing right in front of many South Indian temples? It's not just ornamental, it's the Dhwaja Stambha, the flag mast of the deity, and its story is as profound as the temple itself. Clad in shimmering sheets of gold, silver, brass, or copper, or sometimes even carved in stone, this flagpole is no ordinary pole. It's positioned directly in line with the deity and the Vahana, the divine vehicle of the god or goddess enshrined in the Garbhagudi, the Sanctum Sanctorum. This alignment isn't just architectural, it's symbolic, it's spiritual. Now look closely at the top of the Dhwaja Stambha. You'll often see three horizontal branches subtly pointing towards the sanctum. These aren't random, they signify righteousness, reputation, and propriety. Or as tradition beautifully tells it, they represent the Trimurtis, Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva. Just nearby, you'll find the Bali Peetam, a platform for offerings, again aligned along the same divine axis. This entire line, Dhwaja Stambha, Bali Peetam, Vahana, and the deity, forms the spiritual spine of the temple. And speaking of spine, here's something that might surprise you. According to the Agamas, the ancient scriptures that guide temple rituals, the Dhwaja Stambha symbolizes the human spinal cord. Just as we have 32 vertebrae, many of these poles have 32 rings, each representing a segment of this sacred connection between the earthly and the divine. The pole itself is divided into three sections, again echoing the divine trinity. During temple festivals, the Dhwaja Stambha comes alive. Colorful flags are hoisted high during grand occasions like Kumbhabhishekam or multi-day festivals, a ritual called Kodiyatram. It's more than celebration. It's a divine proclamation that something auspicious is happening. The fluttering flags announce to the world, "Come, witness the divine in celebration." But here's a subtle teaching that many devotees pass on. When you visit a temple, speak your worries, wishes, and prayers not inside the sanctum, but here, at the Dhwaja Stambha. Why? Because in the Garbhagudi, it's time only to chant his name, to be present in devotion, not in desire. So the next time you step into a temple and stand before the Dhwaja Stambha, pause, look up. Let it remind you that even before the divine presence of the deity, this sacred structure stands tall, not just as a flag post but as a spiritual compass, a messenger, and a silent listener to your prayers.
So next time when you visit any South Indian temple, take a pause near Dhwaja Stambha, look at it, whisper your prayers. Dhwaja Stambha is in perfect alignment with the deity. You can offer your prayer near Dhwaja Stambha. Be connected, do like, share and follow. Wait for another interesting topic about an upcoming temple, Periyar Nayaki Amman Kovil of Palani. This is a marvelous jewel of the temple. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Bageshwar Dham.